So, I wanted to do this video to just express how very pleased I was to find out today that the American Journal of Transplantation accepted our personal viewpoint article on tissue engineering pathology just 4 days after I sent it in. And also on a U.S. holiday weekend, and they're a U.S.-based journal. So I mean, it's so amazing that they would take time out of their holiday to send me this, information today, telling me that the paper got accepted. And it made me think that, there are various peak experiences in life. And the other one like this is that when I was offered the chairmanship here at the University of Alberta in 1986, that also occurred exactly the same time of the year. It was in November, and it happened to be in the week of Thanksgiving, U.S. Thanksgiving. In fact, it was actually on Thanksgiving Day that the phone call came offering me this, and I brought a trumpet to work, thinking I was going to play it if I got this offer of the chair, but there was nobody else in the hospital because it was a holiday, and so I thought, darn, there's nobody to play the trumpet for. So I sort of felt like that this time, because it was such an awesome experience to have that paper accepted so quickly and enthusiastically. And it just made me think that things like this don't happen very often in life, that maybe there might be maybe like 2 or 3 experiences like this, and that's basically it. So this was one of them, and I wanted to kind of express that. And then the other thing that's kind of cool about it is how hard I had worked on that paper. There are 2 times in my life when I only got 3 hours sleep and then didn't feel tired at all the next day, and just was going on this tremendous adrenaline rush. So that happened when I went to South Africa in 1997 and saw Soweto and Nelson Mandela's birthplace. But it also happened on the day that I sent this paper to the journal, which was Monday the 20th. So the night before, I got only 3 hours sleep, got up really early, and I started working like mad on the paper, and finally completed it at 3:15 in the afternoon. Didn't feel at all tired as I pushed that send button. And then as soon as it was sent and acknowledged by the journal, I thought, I am so tired. Wow, I didn't realize how tired I am. And so then on Tuesday, the day after, I had this going away party for my fellow Pekes Baesha, and I actually printed out the only copy of the paper for him and gave it to him as a gift, telling him that when he goes back to India, he'll be able to tell people that this is a very special paper because it's the only one, and if it's not accepted, then this could be of negative value or very low value. But if it's accepted, and particularly accepted without changes, then it becomes something very, very valuable. And so he was so happy today to find out that it did get accepted without changes. So maybe his copy will be worth $1 billion someday. Who knows? Anyway, I just wanted to express how very ecstatically happy I am and share this with all of you out there. I appreciate everybody who helped with this effort, which really goes back to the first after dinner speech I gave about tissue engineering pathology in the Paris meeting in 2011. So it's been 6 years working on this thing, and finally the paper's accepted, and it's gonna happen, folks. Tissue engineering pathology will become a household word. Anyway, that's my video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.